Welcome to my channel. If you are a serious gamer, you know that having the right CPU can make or break your gaming experience. In 2023, there are a lot of options on the market, but which one is the best for gaming? The AMD Ryzen 9 9900X is the top performing CPU for gaming in 2023. With its 16 cores and 32 threads, it's a powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding games. It has a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.5 GHz. It also has 64 MB of cache and supports PCIe 4.0. Installing the Ryzen 9 9900X is easy, and it's compatible with most modern motherboards. When it comes to gaming performance, the Ryzen 9 9900X outperforms its competitors. It can handle even the most demanding games at high settings, and it doesn't break a sweat. So how much does it cost? In India, you can expect to pay around 65,000 Indian rupees for the Ryzen 9 9900X. If you want the best gaming experience in 2023, the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X is the CPU you need. With its impressive performance and reasonable price, it's the perfect choice for serious gamers. Thanks for watching.